My name is Joel Carpenter. I'm representing Project Manager Soldier Lethality. Today we're going to be mounting a NIGHTFORCE NX8 1x8 power LPVO onto an M7 rifle. Before we get started, the first thing we're going to do is make sure that the rifle is clear. Now that the rifle is cleared, we can begin our mounting process. The tools we are going to need for this is a torque wrench in inch-pounds and a 1/2 inch socket. All right, before we mount the optic itself, we have to establish our length of pull on our M7 rifle. The way that we do that, we will adjust the stock out, put it in the notch of our elbow, and lay our hand alongside the weapon system. We're trying to get the palm of our hand to match the palm on our pistol grip. If it is not correct, we adjust our buttstock in until we have our correct length of pull. Once that length of pull is established, we can begin our mounting process. So on our NIGHTFORCE NX8, we have 2 1/2 inch mounting nuts. These are retained, so they will not come off. We're going to unscrew them by hand until they're fully open. We're going to install this optic on our 1913 rail, and we're going to move it if we need to establish our correct eye relief. The general starting position for this is the center of our the center point of our two nuts is generally going to be over top of our ejection port. So we're going to start on the hardened side, put it on our 1915 rail system, and rotate it over. From there, we will hand tighten our 1/2 inch nuts. We will open our lens caps, and we will mount the rifle to check for proper eye relief. When looking through the optic, if we see concentric black circles inside the optic, our eye relief is either too far or too close. In my case, it's too far away, so we need to move this optic. So we're going to unscrew our 1/2 inch nuts. I'm going to take it off of the rail. I'm going to move it back one. And reinstall it on the rail. I'll mount the rifle again, check for proper eye relief. That is the correct eye relief for me. And so we begin our tightening process. Before we tighten it down, we will loosen our 1/2 inch nuts slightly. We're going to apply downward and forward pressure on the optic to ensure that the locking lugs on the bottom of our Geisley Super Precision rails are mounted on the front end of our 1913 rail. So downward, forward pressure. We will hand tighten them. And then using our inch-pounds torque wrench, we adjust it to 72 inch-pounds. Once that is, I will tighten down until it breaks over. And that system is properly mounted.